Hi guys, I am Sid and today I am going to show you how to open a DVD writer. In tools you need a screwdriver, so let's open these screws. You need to get out CD tray or insert a pin to this hole. Then get the CD tray and remove it outside. Then remove this aluminum cover by pressing these two little push buttons. This is the DVD lens and this is the laser lens which can read your DVD or CD data. Now turn back this and remove these two more screws which are holding this panel. Now take this panel out and clean it carefully. You can use any fabric cloth or any small painting brush. This is the dirt in a closed DVD writer, as you can see. Let me clean it properly, then get back to you. Now it's time to close the writer. To do this, let's screw. Now let's see how it's look like after cleaning this. Let's screw all these screws. While assembling this, guys, I want to tell you that if you have any idea, then let me know in the comment section. Comment anything you want me to open and make a video for you. Thank you guys for watching. Click the subscribe button for more videos and support.